Video rolling? Oh yeah. What's going on, everybody? Dalton's Garage back with another banging video. Well, I can only hope, but you see it right here. This is the 31-inch aluminum heavy-duty sluice box here. We're going to do a quick rundown, but first I'd like to tell you exactly what I think of this. I think this is so well made and so underrated that I am hoping to get the word out today in this video. This come from a custom-made person that custom-made it, purchased it off eBay, and I think at the time the only reason I bought it because he was running a promotional sale. I think it was the first 5 or 10 he was letting go for 40 bucks free ship. And he didn't go up much in price. They're still $39.99 plus $10 ship. It's about $51, I believe, somewhere around there. But actually, my bad. Supposed to be some matting here, and I actually replaced this matting. This wasn't the original matting that came with it. I would actually recommend replacing it. This is a little more deep groove matting. The matting that I got with this was really shallow. Here in Ohio, I'm dealing with glacier gold, so I felt that a little bit of deeper groove stuff right there would have been good, because that's basically your hot area. That's where all your good stuff's going to fall right there. So enough with that. We already have that removed. There's simply 1, 2, 3, and 4 bolts with wing nuts, or nuts with wing nuts, whatever you want to say here. This top hole here and here is something I actually previously drilled out, and I have an extension I made for it. If you're interested, we'll get to that in a different video, but I have one wing nut here I'm going to go ahead and remove. Well, that just went under the dresser, but that's gone. We'll go ahead and remove the bolt, and this riffle tray will pop right on out. I'm going to get it up here so you guys can see. This comes right on out, real easy. Let's go ahead and take a moment to observe this. This is a very nice, well-built stainless steel. Not sure of the gauge, but it's nice stainless steel. It's not going to rust up on you. And it is TIG welded at each area. One here, and on the back side. So this is very well made. Heavy duty. Let's give it a bell ringer. If you can hear that, it's a nice one. I know that for sure. And that's great for having your riffles, your water, you catch them big nuggets is what it is. It's a nugget trap. Alright. Next up we have our aluminum flattened mesh. Real lightweight. Works good. I've used this and I just have nothing to complain about. Only thing is I have to say one thing about this miner carpet, but this is ribbed miner's moss carpet, whatever you want to call it. When you go to clean it out, just make sure you really bang the heck out of it and get all that fine out of there and all them little particles and stuff, because they can tendency to get stuck up in there. But here's the bare frame. Got all the 4 wing nuts and bolts in there in the top, and you can see numbers on the side. I put them on there because I was bored. I thought it made it look cool, look important. But I tell you what, this thing is very well built, and this is 31 inches long, 7 inches wide, and I believe 3 inches tall. And I've seen several other name brand sluices about the same size and everything. However, they want about 80 bucks for them. This, $50 to the door. Well worth it. Well worth it. And this is a small business owner. This guy's making them maybe in his garage, in his shop, I don't know, but he's doing a dang good job. Everything's straight, even. There is not one little bit of this that was you know, half did up, you know. Can't find the words for it, but half did up. There's no lacking in quality here. This is a tank. This is something that you can just throw down and get to town, you know. Really good. Very, very, very happy about this purchase. He actually also offers header boxes that bolt right onto this. So you're going to take off this flanged area and bolt you up a header box. You can make you a high banker out of it or whatever. And it's got a 1 1/8 inch fitting for the bilge pump. And it's a good little adapter. I may have to purchase me one. So maybe we'll see that in an upcoming video. But for now, this is what we have. And I was going to custom build me one, but I'm going to put that off on hold for now. So that's just basically it. I highly recommend this. This is awesome. And he also has a couple other different designs and varieties. And he also offers rock crushers, custom made. I think I don't know what kind of paint he's using, but they're high quality. This guy knows what he's doing. I've messaged him several times. He's great with getting back with me. And he's right there on eBay. Let me go ahead and turn the camera around and we'll show you his eBay page. So you can go buy one yourself, because I highly, highly recommend it. Oh, there it is. Found the wing nut. Let's go ahead and stick that back on there so I do not lose it. Go ahead and easy as that. Let's go ahead and set this off to the side. I'm going to grab the camera and bring it up and show you his eBay page. Oh, here it is. This is the listing, $39.99. 53 of them sold. Well, we don't need to go to that, but 53 of them sold. That's awesome. He also offers them in auction sometimes, so you may be able to get them for $5 or $10 cheaper. Just don't know. So, Brunswick, Ohio. His name is Pro Max Outdoors. He's got 69% feedback, 100% positive feedback. This guy knows what he's doing. He's been very good at getting back with me. I told him I was going to do a review on this sluice, because I've owned it for a while now, and I believe here at Dalton's Garage you need to own your products for a while. Not just take them out of the box and do an unboxing review. That's just not how it does. It doesn't work that way. You gotta test it out a little bit. So I tested it out. I enjoy it. I asked him, hey, you mind me doing a review? I'm not getting paid or nothing, but you remind me to get do you mind me getting a review of your product? He said no problem. So that's going to wrap the video up. 100% highly suggested. You're not going to beat the deal unless you make it yourself, but who's got time for all that trouble? Not me, not you. Come on. If you liked the video, give it a like. If you didn't, then why are you still watching? You can go ahead and drop some hate comments and say, oh, you're crazy, dude. You don't know what you're talking about. You need to go back to preschool. But why? It ain't going to do nobody good. It's not going to do me good. It's not going to do you any good. Okay? This is Dalton's Garage signing out here. Hopefully we'll see you next time in the next video. So, signing out. Happy gold panning. Happy prospecting. Get her done. Go find some golden nuggets. Peace. Woo! Peace. Bye.